Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I'm cooking chicken in the pressure cooker today. Here are the carrots. All right, here are the mushrooms. Next will be the bell peppers. Here are the bell peppers. And next, after I take the fat off, will be the chicken. Okay, here's the chicken and 2 small potatoes. I put some salt in it, and I'm going to put this in the microwave and throw that in, and then close the lid, put the broccoli in, put some water in, and that'll be it. And then let you know how it turns out. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, here's the broccoli. So I'll put the lid on and turn the thing on, and I'll let you know what happens. And the church next door, after 15 years, stopped giving out food. I'm broke. I'm going to have a rough month this month. If anyone wants to send me a gift card for food, I would appreciate it. George Sendo, 1111 1111 Ferry Street, apartment 958, Martinez, California, 94553. I can get some food at Target. And when Fudgy died, I was crying so much, my ulcers came back. I've been in horrible pain. So I'm going to spend part of that gift card that was sent to me for Prilosec. And then Tuesday, I'm going to the doctor. I have to go get cat food. And I'm going to have Kathy tomorrow. Wednesday, my new phone will be here tomorrow. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.